Welcome to DCR Sons. We are a third-generation family-run business who cover all aspects of pitched and flat roofing. We also specialise in lead sheet work, EPDM, fiberglass and felt flat roofs. Our team of fully trained staff are run by Dan and his father. We offer a comprehensive service from start to finish and will always deliver the right job for the right price. To complement this, the owner of the business is fully qualified in all systems we install and runs training courses teaching EPDM, GRP and lead sheet welding and bossing. This is where you can hire experience and a very professional team. To view further videos, please see our video page, or to contact us, use the details on our website.